Hi, welcome back. In this video I will showcase a vintage Chinese with white dove alarm clock, mechanical wind up alarm clock. Oh wow, very good condition and very good working with a single bell base and embossed columns. Now this alarm clock with a black body and silver dial is rare and unique, very rare. Oh, it works perfectly, very good condition. Its sound is clear and loud. It has a hole in this. It has a hole in the base to be hung on the wall. Now, look, wind up, set K 4 times. Now wind up 4 times. Good. Done. Full wind up. Oh, alarm. Set K alarm clock. Set alarm clock. Alarm lock. Hammer hits the bell. Makes a loud sound. Now it is 3 o'clock and the alarm is 6 and his alarm clock is 6 o'clock. On the alarm clock, now I will set 9 o'clock and have it ring at 9 o'clock. Now the bottom, nine o'clock. Okay, the bottom set time. Okay, now 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Very annoying. Very annoying. Stop. Stop.